Roedd na dipyn o nostalgia am y 90au ar BBC One wsos yma wrth i ni wylio Gladiators. Awwga!
O'n i'n lyfio fo, Ulrika Johnson a John Fashion nhw. A dweud, Ulrika, ca.
Oedd yn part mowr o'n osadwn, oedd e? It's Gladiator!
O, ydych chi iconic theme tune.
Beth bydde enw Gladiator ti?
Side boob.
Side boob.
Side boob.
Twinkle toes. And smash the competition on the dance floor.
Come on, you all! Let's get ready! Get a wiggle!
Yn gofio beth yn Gladiators, mas y ffarm.
My name's Betti. I'm from Bolton.
Oh, right, Betti, love. How's it going, love? Oh, Betti from Bolton.
Ti'n wneud ddim yn enw Gladiator dad, ie?
Contestant yw hi, man.
I'm 31 and I've got a gym on the farm.
Cow shit everywhere. Great.
The edge.
Mae'n mor dramatic ar fe.
The contenders are about to travel 30 feet into the air.
Oh my gosh, na. Na.
O, fydde ni ffili neud yn drwy'n hit o heights.
Sa chdi'n useless, swn i'n oce, dwi'n meddwl.
So ni'n pw-pw, mae'n siŵr.
Next up to traverse the edge, it's Betti.
Come on, Betti, love. Betti.
Contender!
Ready!
Go on, gal.
Gladiator!
Ready!
3, 2, 1!
Betti on the move. Sabre is defending deep.
Oh my days! Mae hwn yn bwlio.
Now she starts to attack a little more, but Betti...
No. Mae hwn eitha galed.
Na, ti.
Mae siwt ti'n mynd I fy neibo ddi?
Give it a slip. And now it's...
Wyrm.
I don't think Sabre will make it quite so easy from here on in.
No.
She doesn't. She's got a hold.
O, na hi wedi benni.
Bye, Betti. Bye, Betti.
Now Sabre's showing a little bit of concern for the contender.
O, ec.
Di'n iawn da?
Ti'n mynd symud?
There's a real hush around the arena. Understandable concern on the face of Betti's mum.
Ysai'n gweld y first aid yr edrych draw na, ti?
A mae Sabre yn pure muscle hefyd. Shh, dy Betti'n iawn.
In the medical room, Betti is being evaluated. The question is, will she be able to continue?
Gad I fi evaluate o ti agon, gyda fy bys mawr. Ti'n iawn?
She still managed to score 3 points, taking her to 15, whilst Tula storms ahead on 37.
2 less away, boy.
A na re, mae hwn yn good game. Hemwo gili.
Odyn.
Gladiator's favourite duel is a one-on-one battle.
May the best cotton bud win.
Mi oedd Betti ddigon iach I gychwyn y rownd olaf, ond mi oedd Tula ymhell ar y blaen ar gychwyn y ras Eliminator.
Wow, yeah.
That means Tula gets a massive 13.5 seconds head start.
Eish! 13.5 second lead.
Mae hynna lot yn dydw.
Mae hwnna'n gap fawr yn dwe.
And let's not forget that she did suffer an injury earlier on in the competition. Onto the balance beam goes Tula.
Hon yn tense. O!
Diren o Betti fach.
So just the travelator stands between Tula and victory.
Dwi'n mynd I ennill.
O, na.
Survives the stumble, but is now running out of...
Bys fi jyst yn cympo nawr o just grip on for dear life.
A wedyn just cael y travelator, just cymryd dillad chi off, like.
steam, and down she goes!
Betti!
Oh!
And here comes Betti.
Oh, no way.
Come on, Betti!
She's come out of nowhere to win. What drama we've seen. A wonderful win for Betti.
Oh, fair play, nath i weithio galad fyna do.
Si peda byth rhaid i fyny le.
Betty can hardly believe what she's done.
Ni'n eistedd fan hyn yn watching yn neud gyd yn marfer corff.
A bit.
Celebrate she wants it.
Da iawn, Betti o Bolton.